The National Security Agency's practice of collecting Americans' information from telephone calls is illegal, according to a court ruling Thursday. A federal court ruled the telephone metadata program exceeds the scope of what Congress has authorized and therefore violates Section 215. The NSA uses Section 215 of the Patriot Act to justify its collection of Americans' phone metadata. Thursday's court ruling determined the NSA went too far with its information collection. The timing of the ruling is especially crucial as the Patriot Act is set to expire June 1st unless Congress acts. If it does expire, NSA officials said they would not collect phone metadata unless it was renewed. This appellate federal court ruling comes after a December 2013 ruling from a judge who decided the NSA's metadata collection was legal. The lawsuit was brought on by the American Civil Liberties Union. Listed defendants include Director of National Intelligence James Clapper, NSA Director Michael Rogers, Defense Secretary Ashton Carter, new Attorney General Loretta Lynch, and FBI Director James Comey. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn. Multiple sources, a broader view.